Okay guys, I got my fire lit and I'm about to go out there and switch the hives over. Good morning, ladies. I hope you're gonna like your new home. You're nice and calm right now. You guys can see I'm standing right here next to the hive. Nothing's happening so far. They're being very calm. I have the smoker lit. I've already given it a little puff on the smoker. Give another little puff around here on this side. Let's see what's going on in here. As you can see, this is the Swifter sweeper I put in, and it's all chewed up. I think you guys are seeing what I'm seeing. Let me look. Nope. There you go. That was a Swifter sweeper, and it was big, but now it's not. They chewed it up. What I'm going to do, these are my honey ones, but I'm just going to start taking everything and putting it back to the hive back there. So here we go. I'm going to start with this side. There's another Swifter sweeper right here. And they escaped. Kill them. I don't know if that doesn't look very good. Oh, there's a bunch of them trapped in that thing. Oh, one of them just got loose. Boy, I think I have a small hive beetle issue here. The top one I put on, there's probably not a lot in these ones yet. They're probably still drawing them out. See, these are just the little tiny ones. They haven't done much with these frames. Set them aside. Let me set this right down here. We might not be using much out of this box. We might just be using out of the bottom boxes because this is a super on the top. Let me see if I can crack this one off. And I might be able to lift this one up. I like this here because the tree can help push. I might be able to pick this up. This one, okay, it's not heavy. Yes, I just puffed myself in the face. And here's where they're going to start. Since they're congregated in this corner, I'm going to come on this side. You can see this one. is a new frame. It's not an old frame. This is one I just recently put in since one of my last harvests. I've only had them since March, the end of March. This comb is the one I put in not long ago, before I went to Georgia. But you can see they're already drawing it all out. So I think my camera was off, but I think my smoker was dying. Might have got a second breath of wind, but I got the top box off, went over there and I shook it in the other box. Now this part, okay, I don't know, but here we go. I'm gonna have to get my queen excluder, or my queen catcher. Here goes. Now we're messing with their brood and their queen. It's the perfect time for me to run out of smoke. I'm not going to be happy at all. I'm not even going to look for the queen right now. She may be on one of these frames as I move it over to the other side. Or I might have just tossed her off. I don't know. It keeps coming back for me. Thank you, Father. Very, very careful here. Try to look in here and see what can we see in here, if anything, if the light's shining right. We'll most likely have to come back in here after I film to actually see everything that's going on. It's really wearing glasses and they get fogged up, and I'm just going to take a moment to look at what we have in here. Let's see what we have on the other side. If y'all see the queen, let me know. I'm just passing this through the lens of the camera just so I can kind of get a look. And this is a super, so it's a shorter one. Maybe we'll put this over here. Other side pretty much looks just like it. So this is where all the bees are. They're in here. Oh, sorry. I'll just take a moment in the bee box. Alright, I'm running out of smoke and battery. And the suit is getting hot, so let's finish up. So I saw baby eggs in there. Little larvae. So since I've seen that larvae in there, they're doing pretty good. Y'all see this crazy comb on the side over here? This one only had 9 frames in it. I think that's what I'm remembering. This one only had 9 frames in it. Or did I fix that? Okay, I'll have to count when I go back over there. Almost done though. Almost finished. That one is very, very, very heavy. Let's see if I got the sun shining right. Maybe we can get this one. Very, very heavy. So, down just one more box. And I'm going to be honest with you, I'm not even going to try looking for the queen. I'm just, at this point, I'm going to get them all in the other box, the horizontal box, and then I will see. Put this down a little bit here. Okay, you know what I'm gonna do? I have to go make some more fire. Because all those bees are down there. I have no smoke, and now they are really attacking me. So, come on, smoker. Don't fail me now. Something in there, a little bit of something. I still need a lot more than just a little bit of something. So I'm gonna have to go make some more smoke. And that was, there was no queen cells anywhere. Alright, so this board is, or this box is like super glued to the bottom. So, I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm going to try to pry it off. I'm just going to shake it. It's really heavy if I just try to shake it. But, I'm not sure. Let's see what we're going to do. I'm going to pick it up and shake it. Here we go. All those dead bees, those are dead bees that were on here. They touched this and they died. You can't touch the hot stuff. Try something else here. As you can see, it's still kind of full. I'm not sure if the queen's in there. I don't know what's going on, but we're doing it. Now is I'm going to pour some of the beetle juice, trap oil. You know, I forgot my Swiffer sleepers. So, I'm grateful that my son-in-law gave these to me and that oil. Thank you, Nigel. There. So I'm going to leave my hive tool here because this is where I'm going to be using it. Take these other ones out and get them cleaned up. I don't want to put them back in there. They need new stuff in it. I did not see a queen. I wasn't looking for a queen. I was just trying to get these things in here. Get these honeybees in here. Okay? Now, if I don't end up with a queen in here, I'm going to have to put another one. So I will be back in just a few days to see. And I remember that those baby ones, the little tiny ones, were kind of towards the middle of the main hive. So it was about like right in this area. So that's where I'll go back to look to see if I can see if any more has been laid. Any more eggs have been laid. Clean up a little bit of this comb right here without squishing the honeybees in it. I'm going to feed it back to them over here on this side. If I can get this thing open. Probably, let me see, we're going to need the other end of this thing. Like this. Just feed that to them down there. I don't want to waste it, but I want this to be able to fit on the top. Put that down there. And scoot that back like that. And put this one on top like this. And there we have it. So here's the scene in my backyard at the current time. There's a lot of honeybees. Expected it. But I'm hoping I got the queen. I'm going to have to put the box back over and let the ones coming back, there's a bunch of them over there freaking out, not knowing what to do. So I'm going to go put the box back over there and then collect the rest of them later on this evening. So I said a prayer before I did it. I'm hoping that I did this okay and that the queen is in there somewhere. And if not, I guess going to have to get another queen. But you guys, I'm going inside and getting some honey lemon water and some homemade banana coconut water. So that's refreshing. That's it for the day. Talk to y'all later.